In this video, we will explore the exciting world of making money with artificial intelligence in 2025. As AI technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, it opens up a plethora of opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. We'll delve into various strategies and innovative approaches that can help you harness the power of AI to generate income. From leveraging AI tools for freelance work to creating AI-driven startups, the possibilities are endless. We'll also discuss how established companies are integrating AI into their operations to enhance productivity and profitability, paving the way for new job roles and income streams. In today's economy, AI is not just a buzzword. It's a transformative force that is reshaping industries and redefining how we work. Understanding its potential for income generation is crucial for anyone looking to stay ahead in the job market or start a new venture. Join us as we uncover the trends, tools, and techniques that will empower you to capitalize on AI advancements and secure your financial future in 2025 and beyond. Step 1. Identify AI tools and platforms for income generation. To effectively monetize your skills with AI, the first step is to identify the right tools and platforms that align with your expertise. Popular AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Jasper are leading the charge in various applications. ChatGPT can assist in content creation, customer service, and even tutoring, while DALL-E excels in generating unique images from text prompts, making it ideal for creative projects. Jasper, on the other hand, is perfect for marketers looking to enhance their copywriting with AI-generated suggestions. Freelance platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr are excellent avenues to offer your AI-related services. These platforms allow you to showcase your skills and connect with clients seeking AI solutions, whether it's writing, graphic design, or data analysis. Selecting the right tools is crucial. It should be based on your skills and the current market demand. Researching trending services and understanding client needs will help you choose the most effective AI tools to maximize your income potential. By leveraging these resources, you can position yourself as a valuable asset in the growing AI landscape, paving the way for a successful income-generating venture. Step 2. Develop AI-based products or services. Once you've identified the right tools, the next step is to develop AI-based products or services that cater to market needs. Start by brainstorming innovative ideas for AI applications. Consider creating chatbots that enhance customer service experiences or predictive analytics tools that help businesses make data-driven decisions. The versatility of AI allows for a wide range of possibilities, so think creatively about how you can solve real-world problems. Another lucrative option is to develop a subscription-based service or a mobile app that utilizes AI technology. For instance, an AI-driven personal finance app could help users manage their budgets more effectively, while a subscription service offering tailored content recommendations could attract a dedicated user base. Before diving into development, it's essential to validate your idea. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience and their needs. Gather feedback through surveys or focus groups to refine your concept. This step ensures that your product or service not only stands out, but also meets the demands of potential customers. By taking the time to validate your idea, you increase the likelihood of success in the competitive AI landscape. Step 3. Build your online presence. Building a strong online presence is crucial for promoting your AI services or products effectively. Start by creating a professional website that showcases what you offer. Your website should clearly outline your services, highlight your expertise, and include testimonials from satisfied clients. A well-designed site not only establishes credibility, but also serves as a central hub for potential customers to learn more about your offerings. Next, leverage social media platforms to promote your services and engage with your audience. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram are excellent for sharing updates, industry news, and insights related to AI. Regularly posting valuable content can help you connect with potential clients and build a community around your brand. Additionally, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel to share your knowledge and insights about AI. This not only positions you as an authority in the field, but also attracts an audience interested in your expertise. By providing valuable content, You can drive traffic to your website and convert visitors into clients. Building your online presence is an ongoing process, but with consistent effort, you can effectively reach and engage your target audience, ultimately boosting your income potential. Step 4. Monetize your AI skills through freelancing. Freelancing is a fantastic way to monetize your AI skills while gaining valuable experience. Start by signing up on popular freelance platforms like Upwork or Freelancer, where you can find a variety of AI-related projects. These platforms connect you with clients looking for expertise in areas such as machine learning, data analysis, and AI-driven content creation. Once you've registered, it's essential to create a compelling profile that highlights your AI expertise and showcases your past projects. Include specific skills, relevant certifications, and examples of your work to demonstrate your capabilities. A well-crafted profile can significantly increase your chances of attracting potential clients. Networking is another critical aspect of freelancing. Engage with potential clients through platform messaging. Participate in relevant forums and join AI-focused groups on social media. Building relationships can lead to repeat business and referrals. Additionally, consider offering competitive pricing for your initial projects to attract clients and build your portfolio. As you gain positive reviews and establish a reputation, you can gradually increase your rates. By leveraging freelance opportunities, you can effectively monetize your AI skills while expanding your professional network and experience. Step 5. Explore passive income opportunities. With AE, exploring passive income opportunities with AI can significantly enhance your financial stability while allowing you to focus on other projects. One effective way to generate passive income is by creating online courses or ebooks on AI topics. By sharing your knowledge and expertise, you can attract learners eager to understand AI concepts, tools, and applications. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to publish and sell your courses, providing a steady stream of income over time. Another avenue to consider is affiliate marketing. By promoting AI tools and software that you genuinely believe in, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. This approach not only helps you monetize your online presence, but also provides value to your audience by recommending useful resources. Additionally, investigate options for licensing your AI software or applications to other businesses. If you've developed a unique AI solution, licensing it can create a recurring revenue stream without the need for constant involvement. This strategy allows you to leverage your skills and innovations while enabling other businesses to benefit from your work. By diversifying your income sources, you can create a sustainable financial future in the ever-evolving AI landscape. Step 6. Stay updated with AI trends and advancements. Staying updated with AI trends and advancements is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in this rapidly evolving field. Begin by following industry leaders and reputable publications that focus on AI developments. Websites like MIT Technology Review, Wired, and AI-specific blogs provide valuable insights into the latest research, tools, and applications. Subscribing to newsletters or podcasts can also keep you informed about emerging trends and innovations. Participating in webinars and online courses is another effective way to enhance your skills and knowledge. Many organizations and universities offer free or low-cost sessions that cover various AI topics, from machine learning to ethical considerations in AI. Engaging in these learning opportunities not only broadens your understanding, but also allows you to apply new concepts to your projects. Joining AI communities and forums is essential for networking and sharing knowledge with peers. Platforms like Reddit, LinkedIn groups, and specialized forums provide spaces for discussions, collaboration, and support. By connecting with other AI enthusiasts and professionals, you can exchange ideas, seek advice, and stay informed about industry shifts. This continuous learning and networking will empower you to adapt and thrive in the dynamic world of artificial intelligence. Conclusion. Key points on making money with AI. In this video, we explored the exciting potential of leveraging artificial intelligence for income generation. We began by identifying essential AI tools and platforms that can help you kickstart your journey, such as ChatGPT and DALL-E, along with freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Next, we discussed the importance of developing AI-based products or services tailored to market needs, emphasizing the value of validating your ideas through research. We then highlighted the significance of building a strong online presence to promote your offerings effectively. Monetizing your AI skills through freelancing was another key point, providing a pathway to gain experience while earning income. Additionally, we explored passive income opportunities, such as creating online courses and engaging in affiliate marketing. Finally, we stressed the importance of staying updated with AI trends and advancements to remain competitive in this fast-paced industry. We encourage you to take action by exploring these AI opportunities and implementing the strategies discussed. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others interested in making money with AI. Together, we can navigate this exciting landscape and unlock new income potential.